Do you know? This news will blow your mind. Cybersecurity experts have found a huge cache of stolen data containing 26 million account logins for popular websites including Amazon, Facebook, Netflix, eBay, Instagram, and more. Hackers used malware to steal 1.2 terabytes of data, including payment information, from 3 billion Windows-based computers between 2018 and 2020. It was first uncovered by cybersecurity researchers at NordLocker who explained that a Trojan-type malware stole the credentials between 2018 and 2020. In addition to logins, the database held more than 2 billion cookies and 6.6 million other files. Around half of these were text files, many of which contained login credentials users may have saved to their desktops. Payment information and autofill data were also stolen from apps like web browsers. The massive data breach was discovered by cybersecurity firm NordLocker, who said that a so-called nameless malware had been used to collect data from user devices. A NordLocker spokesperson said a hacker group accidentally revealed the location of the database. Who stole the data, and whether any of it has been used maliciously, remains unknown. Malware attacks and other forms of cybercrime have become major security concerns in recent years. In the last 2 months alone, hackers have shut down a major U.S. fuel pipeline and a network of slaughterhouses. A new task force set up to tackle digital attacks in the U.S. announced it had made its first criminal charge in early June. My account and data have stolen? Let's know how to check. Go to Have I Been Pwned? Website. Input any email addresses you use for things like Netflix, Instagram, Facebook, etc. The site will tell you if you've been affected by the hack. You can find the link in description box. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.